What's up, guys? It's Kevin with the Knife Doctor, and today we're going to be doing a EDC, everyday carry pocket dump. I hope you enjoyed it. I got a special guest here today, so we're going to be comparing knives and going over all the knives we have up here in the North Georgia mountains at Unicoi State Park. So stay tuned. Okay, this is Glenn, a good friend of mine from the Ellerville, Georgia. We both come up here and camp. We're camping in his camper, but we're fitting to look at his knives and my knives. All right, Glenn, pull out your favorite knife you got on you. Oh, he just bought that yesterday. Look at this. It is an Uncle Henry Schrade, and I believe it is a 227. Check that thing out. Ain't it beautiful? It needs to be cleaned up. We're going to put a leather strap on here. We're going to go real quick on these knives here. We'll check that blade out. It just needs to be cleaned up. Beautiful knife. What's your next favorite? Oh, look here. Victorinox. I actually gave him this knife. I found it at Smiley's Flea Market. I only gave $3 for it. But this thing will glow in the dark. And it's a Victorinox here. See that? Beautiful little knife. Beautiful knife. He carries this all the time. What else you got? Oh, another Victorinox. Check that one out. Huge amount of tools in there. What's your favorite tool in there?
Magnifying glass.
Magnifying glass. How about that? Victorinox. Huge knife. What else you got? Oh, look here. A Colonial Hobo. He brought this on the camping trip, and he actually ate with it this morning. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but he actually ate with it and used it this morning on the camping trip. We cooked turkey sausage and eggs and cheese and made a sandwich. It was delicious. Oh, look there, Zippo. Will it light, Glenn?
Yes, sir.
Oh, look at that. Zippo. He likes Zippos just like I do. How about that? That was made in ABC, April of 2021. There we go. Good little lighter. Anything else? That's all? He did buy a ferro rod today. We went to Neil's Gap, the Mountain Pass store up there on the Appalachian Trail. But he bought that. He's been wanting him a good ferro rod, and that's going to be a good one. It's even got a place to put a piece of cotton. See there? You pull that out, and you can use that to start a fire with. That is awesome. Great EDC, Glenn.
Thank you.
And now it's my turn. I also have a hobo, but this is an Imperial. It's a clean knife. I did use it this morning. You see it's an Imperial. Good little knife to go camping with. You got a fork, a spoon, main blade, and a can opener. It's a good little knife. What else we got here? We also got my favorite to carry. It's the Blur, the Kershaw, made in the USA. I did repair that point. Good little knife. What else we got? Oh, we got my favorite, one of my new favorites, the Zippo that I got from a subscriber. His name is Tango Bravo from Pennsylvania. I love this knife. Easy to carry. Looks brand new. What else we got here? I got a Zippo. Check this out. Look at that. Good little lighter. This was made in December of 2006. The L is for December. And what else we got? Oh, look here. This is a big old boy here. But this is a Schrade old timer. 125, and it's a lock blade, single blade. It is in great shape, and I sharpened it up before I left in the oil, and she's sharp as a razor. But it's in great shape. What else we got here? I bought a couple of knives today. I'm going to show y'all that too. And this is my Spyderco. Remember, I fixed that blade. See the Spyderco VC10 steel in Seki City, Japan. Good little knife. This is a Dragonfly 2 Spyderco. And I bought this knife today at a antique shop in Blairsville, Georgia. It's got a broken main blade. We're fixing to pull that blade and see what kind it is. I'm really not sure, but I'm gonna guess it don't look like an Ulster. I'm gonna say Imperial. By the way it looks, I'm gonna say Imperial. Could be a Camillus, but it don't look like a Camillus to me. I think it's an Imperial. Let's see about that one. And then I bought this one here at the Neil's Gap at the Mountain Pass store on the Appalachian Trail. I didn't get but 17 bucks for it. It's an Opinel. It's made in France. See here, made in France. But what I like about this, y'all, I've always wanted one. I just ain't. But this here is a lock blade. Lock blade knife. You just twist this here. See that right there? You just twist that, and it is now a lock blade. And this thing is razor sharp. The handles are wood. Very light knife to carry. Beautiful, beautiful, well-made knife. And of course, I have my case knife in this little slip sheath now. I love this thing. But this is a case camp knife. It was made between, I put the handles on this knife. The stamp on that tang, that knife was made between 1940 and 1964. Very well made. Love this knife. And what else we got here? We got the little case that I repaired that blade on. And it's a 92. Good little knife. Good knife to carry, very light. And I also have this Camillus with stag. The handles, a good friend of mine made this knife. Put the handles on here. There's a Camillus. That long line under Camillus. That long line under Camillus there. That stamp was made in the, that stamp was used in the 1960s and 1970s. But it's a great knife to have, to carry. That's it, guys. That's all I have on me. That's enough, ain't it? Now, he brought me a pair of pliers. We're going to see if we can't get that main blade up and to see what kind of knife this is. I gave 12 bucks for this. I was filming it, but my phone died. So, we're going to see if we can't get this and see what it is. But I think it's an Imperial. No. It's actually an Ulster. An Ulster. It didn't look like an Ulster to me, but the handles are better than normal. So this is a good knife, but I think I have an extra Ulster blade to put in there. So that's going to be a good upcoming project very soon. Well, guys, I know this was a quick video, but we just wanted to show you what we have on us that we carry in the North Georgia mountains. We got us a little fire going. We're going to be cooking some steaks on this fire after a while. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I sure did. I always look for knives, but thank y'all again for tuning in. Sure appreciate all the support, and I want to say God bless y'all, and until we meet again, y'all be like a good knife. Stay sharp.